Meaning of heartbroken.
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 Heartbroken. Heartbroken is an adjective used to describe the intense emotional pain and sadness that comes from experiencing a deeply personal loss or disappointment, especially in matters of love or relationships. When someone is heartbroken, they may feel physical symptoms such as tightness in the chest, difficulty breathing, and a sense of overwhelming grief and despair. The term implies a feeling of shattered hopes and dreams, as well as a sense of profound loneliness and isolation. It can take some time to heal from a broken heart, but with support and self-care, it is possible to recover and move on.